So to take the bolt apart, you open it up like that, and right there, in between your left extractor and the center of your bolt face is a little arm that you push down like this, like that, and it causes the bolt to drop back. Once it's far enough, you can actually see that arm. There you go, we have it out now. And if you take notice, this has two different kinds of extractors. You have a hook looking one, and then you have one that's kind of pressed up against that bolt face. Pay attention to how they're oriented, because they got to go in there the exact same way. So that hook looking one goes on the left side, and the one that's pressed up against the bolt face goes on the right. Same side as the bolt handle. Now to take these extractors off, you can either take a tool or whatever and get it under there and take it off like that, but I just use my fingers, and you can take off the right one and take off the left one. They just click on there. There you have your bolt without the extractors. There you go. It's got to be recocked if you want to put it back into the receiver. So now we're going to take our left extractor and make sure it's on the correct side. Put it there. Take our right one, click it in like that, put it in just like that, push this little arm down, and there you go, your bolt's back in your rifle. Now I'm going to show you how to replace your ejector spring. It's pretty easy. A little tricky if you don't actually know what you're doing. But you just take this screw out the bottom of your rifle, and right there, hanging out, is your ejector spring. This is where it should sit, on the bottom there. I will show you how it should sit in there. Bear with me here. This is how it's supposed to sit in there. Long part, one out like that. Come on, focus. Through the middle. So that screw. And just goes right back in, same way. Bear with me here. We'll get her. There we go. So when you're putting it in, a new one, it's going to want to ride up on the side here. Just go ahead and tighten it down all the way, and then you'll be able to fix it. Ah. So there, now it's tight. Just taking, push that long end down below so it's out of your way. We'll check if it works. Well, obviously it's gonna work because there you go. Released my bolt. Well, I hope that anyone who comes across this finds it useful at all, and if there's any other guns that you find on my channel that you'd like me to take a look at, let me know. Like and subscribe for more. Have a good one, everybody.